There's a bear coming in.
Is it?
What?
What
Oh,
the
so
fuck?
there is.
He's actually buying something?
Oh, good evening, my name is Herbert. Just give him what he wants, mate, size him.
Aye.
The Slug Boys, ah yay!
On our appropriate accessories. Wait, I don't even know where you are saying that. You there? You seen my new poster as well?
What? What the fuck?
You're right, get me fuck.
I'm missing!
He's laughing at you, Will. You get at him, you need to hit him, he's laughing at you.
I'm getting this!
It's making
Stop, don't talk to me!
He just shot the sheriff. He just shot the sheriff. It came to his day one, by the way.
But you never shot the deputy. You seen my new poster as well?
Yeah, I'm
I'm gonna
fucking
update
killing
them every day.
Rogers, man. Right, let's see this in these posters. Remember, you deserve to be happy. What? What's the other one? Oh, new Cub Energy, buy one, get one, same price. We're fucking
One
good.
by the toilet as well.
Aye. It's all in the
Oh,
rest.
okay, I skipped walking with a suitcase.
What?
That's me. I'm just trying not hard to blink. Meow.
Shoot, that's good.
We don't take furries in this store.
Vanessa McCree. Name's McCree. Blah, 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 blah. He's been listening to this shit all day.
Aye.
That's wacky, man. Eh. Alright, she's a sergeant and she's got assholes.
No, does it all check out, Lewis, you think?
Ponytail. Aye, yeah, fuck it. She says she's got a ponytail, she does, son, you go ahead.
What the fuck?
That was a dentist.
She was a human anyway, because he fucking bent her all that good.
I didn't see it. Oh fuck.
His big anchor. Pretty hard to miss.
Is that C4 you got on the fucking shelf?
Maybe. I mean, check the iPad. No, check him
Oh,
the
what the
iPad to make
fuck?
sure.
He's got shit on his face.
See? Oh, fuck, so he does. Aye, good thing we checked with the iPad. Good thing we checked on that. We've not been checking cunts all day by the way with that iPad.
No.
I seen one on TikTok, a guy went into a toilet and it was all posters of a woman, like signs that you got a wee cock and laughing
the
at you.
dentist was on top of the bus.
He was, or he is?
He sprinted away. Like, he was on top of it and fucking ran off.
Do we trust the
Somebody
bus?
want to bring a gun?
Aye.
Just in case.
Right. Alright, he's fine. Well, at least I killed the fucking sheriff.
Aye, but the
that was a
dentist
complete
killed him.
accident as well.
Now he was a doppelganger.
See you yelling at me for nothing. Who the fuck are they?
Ah,
Outside
You
the
thought
back?
it.
Fucking Wendigo.
what the fuck? Go away! I can't spare them. I wouldn't go out the back, Lewis. We're being gang stalked.
Gangsta. 15% off. Gotta get that sticky stuff.
Sticky icky.
Belly hurting, get squirting.
Help wanted. This is not even like just help wanted, we need a job. This is a cry for help, like we need to escape. We need actual help. Oh, what the fuck is he doing? Whoa, cunts just walked in with a pair of Speedos on.
Aye. He's looking alright.
Oh, somebody steal him. Oh, I wanted to hit him with the sledgehammer. Let me hit him, let me hit him.
Wait, fuck's sake.
Look, well, come here now. Right, look, there's a dug bed in his motor, right? And I asked him about it. But he tells me his times have been rough, so I've been sleeping with it.
Things have been rough.
You been out here yet?
Hello? What? You owe us life.
Oh, us life. Come to, into the forest. Hey, I think these guys are asking us to come in. Do we want to do this?
I'll go forward.
Did we bring a...
Who's going to run the show? Because there's people still coming in.
I mean, explore the forest.
Aye, well, you explore with Lewis. I'll keep to the show because
Right.
you're the one recording anyway.
You want the scanner? I'll fucking shoot.
I don't know how much help it'll be, but I'll take it. Can't even see a fucking thing.
Nah, I need like a... What's that? The fuck? Was that you?
I don't know, I can't fucking see.
What's this? Lava?
Maybe enough twice. There's a cunt in there.
You have to do another one? Oh, there is.
Two more, I think.
Three more? Whoa.
No.
Spooky, spooky. What?
The fuck is that?
What the fuck do you do with this? Oh, right. I need to sprint over here. I need to sprint back. Right, and then the other one. Ah, it was hurting me. The fucking lava, man. What the
Why
fuck?
would we just fucking resurrect it?
Oh. Oh.
Why can't I bear it?
Go board. What? What?
No, I got brung here. That's nice. Where the fuck did we there then? Well, what did you stay anyway?
I did a ritual and summoned somebody.
Resurrected something, eh?
Oh, that's fun.
Here's the bucket where I filled the lava.
Hello! Hello!
Well.
Oh, what fuck, coins?
Pick them up. What? What happened there?
He just ran up and screamed in that woman's face and blew her head off.
Why?
Because I looked at her in the scanner and then she screamed at me.
She was a goth, what did you expect? I literally have bought 2 flamethrowers for us.
Well, that's gonna kill us as well. Fuck. Where's the weapons then?
Alright, I'm Ox later, I'm Ox later, get in the bathroom, get in the bathroom.
Gun. $1 million diet coke.
The music box.
Music box, what is it? Hey, Charlie. Right, I'm grabbing the flame.
No! You're killing me, you bastard! What the actual fuck, man?
My game's lagging.
Fuck, don't touch that, man.
I'm actually surprised we suffer survived that.
Hope you can pick that shrapnel from your chest, mate.
Scan that. Unplugged. Whoa, do us a favour, check the computer and then look at her.
What the wait, no. Oh, yeah, fucking still
you
people.
stole. I can bat. I've got an evil bitch on me.
Oh, power outage.
Power outage. What is that on the roof? What is that on the roof? What's that on the roof? Do you see that?
No.
No.
The
There's
gnome!
legs
The
again,
gnome is here!
fuck's sake.
That's the gnome! The woman's the gnome!
What?
The woman's the gnome!
woman's the gnome?
The woman is
Get
the
the
gnome!
iPad, get the iPad. So what is
The iPad. Oh, aye. Where's it go?
Sick. You trying to steal me?
You're wide-eyed. Shut up!
No, actually say
What's that noise?
What is that noise?
Somebody's in the toilet. Oh!
What the fuck?
Oh, wow.
Brilliant. The fucking dentist has been here because his jar's gone. His jar's gone.
It's not my problem, mate. I've got customers to deal with here, mate, you know.
Baseball bat's no what?
Flush him.
Guess we just leave him.
I tried that.
What the? Alright. Grenades and molotovs?
Why is her picture black and white? Oh, she's an art student, that's probably why.
What?
That's so stupid, it can't be. That's so fucking dark.
Pale complexion. Well, they actually have that written down. Often has paint stains up her clothing. She does. Short hair.
I mean,
Yes.
alright.
But you are.
Mate, those two stereos are like out of sync, man. Alright. I'm down! You fucking...
I'm down.
Wait, stop fucking using fire.
Flames.
You just stop fucking using fire, man, because
was
it's killing
that?
us all.
Yeah. Right, we're like, no, the flamethrowers are horrid.
Aye, don't fucking use them.
Did you guys see that stair?
Aye. That was me after you fucking flamed us all up, man.
Fucking full room, man, just on fire.
Right.
Man, there.
I can't believe you and he's actually fell for that. I thought that was so
I think
obvious.
that was well done.
There's a bear coming in.
Is it?
What?
What
Oh,
the
so
fuck?
there is.
He's actually buying something?
Oh, good evening. My name is Herbert.
That's
That's fine.
good.
Shop you have here. Yeah, I enjoy shops. Other humans often too.
Just give him what he wants, mate, to size him.
Aye.
Oh, it's on the roof again. On the roof. On the roof.
No.
I never seen it again.
Oh Jesus.
The fuck? Fucking co-worker comes into the fucking thing, says nothing, and starts throwing tablets at you.
Just so you know, I'm the doppelganger. Alright.
Alright.
To the guy who... But I'm high as fuck right now. Can't be bothered. Mate, I was fucking reading shit there.
He's not again, we gotta believe him.
What the fuck? Keep an eye on that trying to see moves about.
I'm on fire again! Who's doing that?
Is it just me alive here?
Fine. We gotta stop throwing fire, man.
That was New Year that time, mate.
Fire is
I had two
effective
machine
against it.
guns.
It's effective against us, and all.